Hey my Sky Savers, welcome back to my channel, or welcome. I'm Kim and this is World of Sky, a world for women and moms looking to save money and get the most bang for your buck. And today we're talking all about how to organize your coupons. One of the biggest things that I always say when I'm talking about couponing is that you have to be organized. You have to be organized if you want to coupon successfully. Your coupons need to be organized, your strategy needs to be organized, your shopping trip needs to be organized. Everything needs to be organized, okay? So if you haven't gotten the gist of this video, organization is key in couponing. The good news is that coupons are actually pretty simple to keep organized. If you just pick a strategy and a method that works for you and stick to it, you can do this with no problems. So that is what we're going to be talking about in this video today. Before we jump into all of those details, please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Trust me, girl, your purse, your wallet, your bank account will thank you. First, let's talk about my favorite way to organize my coupons. This is how I do it. This is how I've been doing it for years. This is what works for me. And that is a little coupon file folder like this. Okay, so she has duct tape on her. She's been used. She gets used. This is actually my old one. These are easy to find, so you can find them at Dollar Tree. You can find them at your local grocery store. They're very inexpensive, but they are a lifesaver. Small, compact, easy to travel with. They come with little tabs and whatnot here and little labels, so you can label and organize your coupons. You can do that by store. You can do that by category, so food, laundry detergent, toiletries, however you want to organize your coupon file folder, you can do that. Just simply write the category or the name of the store on the label, stick it onto the tab, and then you have some subsections to divide your coupons up into. This is my favorite way of storing and organizing my coupons because it's small, it's compact, I can just throw it in my purse. It's easy to grab and take with me at any time and have with me and have access to my coupons at any time. However, there are some disadvantages to having this file folder, right? Because it is small and it's compact, like I said, an advantage. But the disadvantage is you can lose it. So I have done that. That has been my situation. My suggestion is to find a bright colored option in hopes that you'll see it and you won't forget it. This is my replacement one. The one I lost was white. It was clear. I'm not sure why I chose that color, but I forgot it in the store. Tried to call and see if anyone had turned it into lost and found or the service desk, and no luck. So I lost all those coupons, and there were some gift cards in there as well that I lost. So be mindful if you choose this method. It is small and compact, but definitely check and make sure you have it before you leave. The second and also very common method of organizing your coupons is using a coupon binder. So just like a 3-ring binder like this, very basic, but you can get the baseball card sleeves to put into the binder, and the baseball card sleeves have little slots that you can put your coupons in. So once you've clipped them, you can slide them into each slot within the baseball sleeve. You can find those baseball sleeves on like Amazon or Walmart. Just search baseball sleeves and they will come up with a variety of different quantities, so just select what works best for you. The benefits of this type of method is that you can easily see what coupons you have because all of them are in each individual slot. You can open your binder and you can see, oh, I have this coupon, I have a set of these coupons, and you can find what you need. So if you're more of a visual person, this might be the better method for you to choose. The con of having a coupon binder is that it's hella big. It's big. It's big, y'all. It's kind of big to tote around. If that doesn't bother you, then that is not a con for you. But for me, it's too big for me to tote around. I cannot put this in my purse, and so it's not for me. I don't want to tote this in and out of my house as I'm clipping coupons, organizing, and then doing my shopping haul. So this method doesn't necessarily work for me. But for other people, the visual, being able to flip through and see exactly what you have can be very helpful. I'm interested to know what method you use to organize your coupons, so let me know in the comments below. A third method in organizing your coupons is to use like a small photo book, so something similar to this. So these photo books have slots similar to that of the baseball card holder, where you can kind of like just slide the coupon into the photo book. Now it doesn't have as many slots, so this may be a good option for somebody who is not looking to be like an extreme couponer, but you want something where you can just visually flip it open and see what coupons you have. This might be a good route for you. This one is pretty small, it's not too big or bulky, so you can toss this in your purse or your bag and easily carry it with you to and from the store, in and out of your house. it's not too bad. So it is similar to the coupon binder, but on a much smaller scale, and probably easier to manage or work with if you are new to couponing specifically. This might be a good choice for you. And my fourth and final method that I will talk about for you guys, this is for all my anti-clippers, those who don't want to clip any coupons, they don't want to store any coupons, whether it's a file folder, a coupon binder, a small photo book. You don't want to do that. You don't want to store any coupons. Then my next option for you is just to use your phone, right? So your phone can hold your digital coupons. So to organize this, I would say to download all the apps that have digital coupons that you think you might use from stores. If it's Target, Walgreens, Rite Aid, CVS, whatever stores you think you may coupon at, then download those apps, put them all in one folder on your phone, right? And then label that folder coupons. Then this way, when you are looking for a coupon, you can just go to your coupons folder on your phone, select the app, search for the coupon, and then you can have everything housed in that one folder within your phone. It's simple, it's easy, and it's all streamlined to one area. So those are 4 different ways or methods that you can use to organize your coupons. If you want to learn more information about the different types of coupons and how to identify what coupon is what and kind of where you can use them, check out this video that I did on the different types of coupons. It's really helpful if you're a beginner and you're not familiar with the different types. I hope you guys found this video very helpful. It got you thinking about ways that you can organize your coupons to actually maximize your savings. There's nothing worse than being unorganized with your coupons. You're going to lose money. You're going to make mistakes if you're not organized. Before you go, before you go, please make sure that you do subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads from me. I do upload new videos every single week, and they are pertaining to saving you money in some fashion. That is it for now. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in my next video. Happy saving!